how to change the link sticker text in your Instagram story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your link sticker text in your Instagram story. So first thing, simply open your Instagram application and just click on your story and select any photos where you want to, or products where you want to add the link. So simply click on this sticker icon over here, and once you click on it, just click on the link and just paste your copied link, your URL here, and you can see there is an option called customize sticker text. So simply click on it and make sure you choose it wisely, as you can change it later on. So once you type in something like this, simply click on done and the text will be shown instead of a sticker over here, as you can see. So you can also customize it accordingly with your choice. So I go on with this design. So that is exactly how you can easily change the link sticker text in your Instagram story. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.